Did you know that over 90% of communication is nonverbal? Discover how your body language can speak louder than words and how you can use it to your advantage. A genuine smile can make you appear more approachable and trustworthy. It releases endorphins, making both you and the other person feel good. Eye contact is a double-edged sword. On one hand, it shows confidence, interest, and respect. On the other hand, too much or too little can make things awkward. The sweet spot. Aim for around 50 to 60% of the time during conversations to strike the perfect balance and make a connection. Your posture speaks louder than you might think. Open posture like uncrossed arms and legs signals that you're open, confident, and receptive. Closed posture, like crossed arms, can make you seem defensive or uninterested. Next time you're in a meeting or on a date, pay attention to how you sit or stand. Mirroring is a subtle yet powerful body language technique. When you mirror someone's body language, you're subconsciously building rapport and making them feel more comfortable around you. It's like saying, "We're on the same wavelength." Just be sure to keep it subtle. No one likes a copycat. Using hand gestures while speaking can make your message more engaging and help emphasize key points. Gestures help anchor your words in the minds of your audience, making your communication more memorable. But remember, less is more. Overdoing it can be distracting. Sometimes, saying nothing at all can be the most powerful move. A well-timed pause or silence can convey thoughtfulness, confidence, and even power. It's not just what you say, but when you choose to say or not say that matters. Mastering body language can transform your interactions and make you more persuasive, likable, and in control. Which body language tip will you try first? Share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more fascinating insights.